Okay, here we are. We're at the famous Mammy's Pancakes. Big bubbled pancakes they wrap around. Peanut butter, coconut, and original, and who knows what else. But we're here early in the morning to try it. Talk about a big sugar attack. Oh, they have a coffee flavor, a matcha, Earl Grey. The one I saw that I thought you would like, if they got it. Yeah, but I don't see it on here. That's the like white sesame.
Mammy Pancakes in Hong Kong is something that you have to try. There are 5 or 6 locations, but please check online to make sure that they're open because of COVID, many of them are closed. There's usually a line. It takes a while because they're all custom and made to order. So get there early, get in line, and enjoy it. All right, what do you got here, honey?
I got a Mammy waffle pancake, and you've got a waffle with peanut butter.
Wow.
The taste, guess what? It tastes like a waffle.
Tastes like a waffle.
With a little puff inside. But I didn't get any gooey stuff in mine.
All right, and I got a waffle with a peanut butter. Tastes like a waffle with peanut butter on it. Good. Mummikins.
Mammy pancake.
Okay.